Ay!
Where'd you get that? Oh my God, akala ko, I'm so sorry.
Wala na yun. Wala na yan. Tanggal na yan.
It's okay. It's okay. Sorry. It's okay. Oh my God. Ano nagawa? Ano nangyari?
Si Bianca agad naman humingi ng tawad kay Ralph.
Ralphie, sorry. Sorry, Ralphie. Sorry.
Bawi.
Bawi. Sorry.
Nice, got this.
Nakuha ko.
It's okay.
Magpo-focus muna ako. Huwag mo na akong
From that moment forward, I really realized that I really need to focus, as in yung malalang focus. Na-discover ko rin sa sarili ko, kuya, na I think it's better na medyo humiwalay muna ako sa mga taong nagiging comfort ko dito and really just focus sa task because sobrang